Greetings and salutations YouTube, it's Ian here, welcome to another video. I actually just finished doing a premiere video. Alright, my eye was so itchy right now, I just like scratched it intensely. But the kids are all here watching Boss Baby for the millionth time. It looks like a beautiful day outside. Let's see how cold it is. Ooh, it is chilly, but it is nice. What a beautiful day. Good morning, everyone. I think right now, let's see what we're gonna make for breakfast. Hello, Eliza.
Hello.
What are you doing, baby? You wanna stay out here? It's still cold. You wanna go outside later? No? Oh man, he already wants to play. Alright. Guess we're opening the doors. Hey, you guys want to play outside till it's time to eat breakfast? Eliza's already scootering. He already got first pick of the scooters. Look at him go. So I'm like so obsessed with this coffee. I'm literally making myself another one right now. I've gotten pretty good at whisking too. Look at this. Ooh, amazing. And here we go. It's so creamy and delicious. I cannot wait to drink this. Well, it's a little chilly outside like a kid. He looks like a burrito. But they still want to be outside anyway. Mom's over here. She's gonna make some waffles, which we are all very excited about. Your waffle's beeping at me. Mom's making her batter for the waffles. We're super excited. And I'm going to make some more coffee. Okay, so Mom's getting the waffle maker ready. We're making is the waffles. Oops.
I don't know how big these waffles are big.
Alright, Vanessa, you just commented asking to show the drying racks that we have. These are her little drying racks. They look like grass. I thrifted them a while ago from the Goodwill. Just checking to see if it was empty before I flip it over. And they're by Boone. I got this one for $3, but they're by a company called Boone. These are actually for baby bottles, but I saw them and thought they'd be really fun. They kind of look like contemporary art, and keep them in the kitchen for just drying stuff really easily. You can like put plates in here, and they kind of just like stand up, which is pretty cool. So yeah, been thrifting a lot of these. Usually give them away because they're fantastic and we love them. Oh, Mom, they look like little heart circles. Yum. Guys, I'm so excited. I just got an upgrade on this thing. Yes, look at me making my coffee, living my best life. Yasmin's jealous. You guys, this is like literally life-changing. This is so good. Oh my gosh, guys, look at how fluffy this is. So good. Hold up the waffles so everyone can see them. They look so good. Also, here are my coffees. They look so delicious. Guys, the boys are being so cute. They're like outside being cold, watching something on the TV. And Eliza's eating pretzels. Alright, so now Mom is just making some more food. She's getting ready for dinner tonight. She's just setting it all up. What are you making tonight, Mom?
Beef stew.
Beef stew. So you cut up some, what cuts the meats that are cut?
This is from Butcher Box.
I know, but what type of meat?
This is the
shank, what is it?
The stew meat.
Stew meat, so you just cut it up
No,
with...
it's already cut.
Oh, pre-cut.
Yep.
And then you put tomato, looks like there's a bay leaf in there. Do you put tomato sauce?
No, not yet.
Not yet.
I'm going to put tomato sauce when the beef are ready.
So yummy. A quick update, we just got our delivery of Costco stuff. I was gonna film it, but I totally forgot because every time we order anything and it gets delivered to the house, or anything that gets delivered to the house in general, we like go a little overboard just to be as safe as possible, and we like literally like sanitize everything with like Clorox wipes and just like try to clean everything off. And if it's inside a box, you like open the box, take it out, like the item, and then clean the item. Well, I literally just finished washing all the fruit that we got, so all the fruit's already been washed. And we put everything away. And now everyone's kind of just like relaxing. The kids are inside from going out. It's like pretty cool outside. It's not as sunny as it was yesterday, so it's not like warming you up. Because even if you're in the sun outside, it's pretty warm. And when the sun's gone, like, it's pretty chilly outside. And they were just, like, sitting in their blankets. And I think they just got tired of sitting outside, so they came in. But what's happening right now is nothing really too exciting. I think I'm just taking a little break because this whole week I've just been kind of, like, trying to go nonstop. I might just sit and, like, think of new video ideas. I know a lot of you guys want more handbag rehabs. I'm going to try and film some. I don't really have too many bags at the moment to rehab, and I'm not really thrifting anymore right now. Well, not thrifting at all because all the stores are closed. So, yeah. Though I do have some things I want to film. And what else was I going to tell you guys? Let me know what other things you guys want to see. Like, I was thinking of doing like some hair tutorial videos with like my mom and my sister. I think that would be pretty fun. Especially a mom, because she doesn't really, all she really does is blow dry with like kind of like with a round brush, when she does her hair. And I think it'll be fun to like kind of like teach her different ways to do her hair. And I know it's just like, it's like hair, but I mean anything to detract from what's going on right now. And I feel like I really like watching hair videos. It's really weird. It's probably how I learned how to do hair and cut hair. I think it's just like really relaxing to just watch people cut hair and like style hair. I don't know why. Though I would never actually probably want, I don't think I could ever actually be like a barber or like a hairstylist, because just doing my family's hair, it's like too much for me already. I'm like, it is fun, but I don't know if I can do that every single day. Yeah, I'm like maybe like one head of hair every single day, and that's like all that I can do. I wouldn't be able to do like multiple people's every single day. And we're definitely gonna make more food videos as well. Next week is also Zach's birthday, so that's gonna be pretty fun. We're planning something for him right now, but his birthday is not till the end of the week, so that will be something to look forward to. Zach is just so super excited, and I feel bad because we told him we were going to throw him a party before all this stuff happened. He was so excited. But now it's like, obviously with all the social distancing, we can't have like an actual party for him to invite his friends and stuff. So it's just going to be us, but we're going to try and make it as fun as possible. We're definitely going to try and like decorate and like liven up the house and stuff. So I think my sister said she has like some decorations. So I'm going to see what she has and see what we can work with. And Mom, we just got our order of food today, which was very cool. So Mom was able to get some stuff to make like his birthday dinner. We really needed like some like noodles or something, because in like Asian culture, it's like lucky to have noodles on your birthday, because it's like it symbolizes like having like a long life and health and prosperity and all that. So yeah. I'm just like babbling at this point. So that's the update for right now. I'll see you guys again in a little bit. Oh, there's the beef. It looks so delicious. And there's also some grilled chicken. Alright guys, what is up? It is the next day. I'm in the kitchen. Gotta clean up these dishes and empty this baby out right now. Okay, the kids are done eating, and I sent them out around the house to disinfect like all the door handles and light switches and all that they can reach. Kind of helps them get into the groove of like cleaning, I think, which is really good. But right now for breakfast, I'm going to make some croissant breakfast sandwiches. I think that'd be delicious. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that right now. Alright, I'm gonna start off. I'm gonna cut these in halves. I have them toasting up right there, and then I'm gonna get some of this turkey meat. I'm also gonna grab some cheese as well. Oh, I'm gonna get some eggs too. That'll be delicious. Then in here, just gonna heat up some of the turkey. So we have that cooking right there, and then over here I'm gonna make some eggs. All right, and the eggs are cooking right here. How yummy they look. We got some turkey, cheese, and then the egg. Ooh, so good. Hey guys, time to eat. So excited. So we're super excited because our new Wi-Fi extender or whatever just came. So now we can have Wi-Fi on the other side of the house. So John's gonna install it right now. We have Orbeez, which are, this is like a, what is it, John?
Mesh.
Like a mesh router thing, or a Wi-Fi extender thingamabobber, and they work really well, except the house is really oddly shaped, so the internet doesn't work really well over here. Like the TV never has proper internet, and sometimes it'll just die because we don't have cable or anything on here anymore. We just have, yeah, we just do like the smart TV function with Hulu and Netflix and YouTube. So I got this on eBay, which was a lot cheaper than buying them brand new. It was like less than half off. So we're putting this on this side to hopefully help with that, and then we could do more like live cooking videos because the internet in the kitchen is not that good at all. So me and Eliza are outside on the balcony. He's over there, he's like peeling oranges, and he's playing his iPad. All his brothers are downstairs homeschooling, and we're just enjoying. We're calling it Eliza's treehouse. Right, Eliza? This is your treehouse? Baby? Alright, so now I'm in my room. I'm planning some videos that I'm going to be making, and I made myself a coffee. Actually, I made a coffee for everyone. And I'm gonna watch some YouTube while I'm working, so I'm excited. Look what Mom made for dinner. Some hot dogs, some mac and cheese for the pigeons, and then for the adults, some Kung Pao chicken from Trader Joe's. The kids are having a dance battle.
Vote who wins. Look in the
Good morning, greetings and salutations. YouTube is Hadrian here. Welcome to another episode of the vlog. Day is like starting off a little overcast, but it's supposed to be pretty warm today at 80 degrees. Look at the birds. Lizo's over here. Let me see your work, baby. You're having mommy school? Wow, Lizo's doing math. Now I'm getting some brunch ready. So, you guys remember when I did my gourmet ramen video? We're gonna make the same kind of ramen. We're gonna add egg to this, and we're also going to add cheese, and it's gonna like totally make this soup even more delicious than it already is, because this is already good on its own, but just adding those two ingredients will make this a million times more delicious. Okay, just added in the noodles. Now that the water is boiling, I'm just gonna let it go for a little bit. Then we're gonna add the seasonings. Then we're gonna add the egg. It's gonna be so delicious. Okay, so I added in the spices, and then I have the eggs in here. I'm gonna add it in little by little while mixing at the same time, so that way like it incorporates really nicely and doesn't get all globular. It's kind of almost like egg drop soup. Okay, just added the cheese. So excited. Alright you guys, so I'm currently outside. The kids are getting ready because they're gonna go swimming in the pool. It's actually 80 degrees today, but it's pretty overcast, but like the reflection of the sun on the clouds is like kind of blinding me, honestly. But we also heated the pool, so that's extra warm today. We're kind of like celebrating Zach's birthday because at the end of the week, but at the end of the week it's gonna be like in the 70s and high 60s, and it's supposed to rain again next week, which is crazy. So we're taking advantage of today's heat. We're gonna let the kids go swimming, and they have been wanting to go in for a really long time. So I'm really excited that they can go outside and go to the pool. But yeah, and then I'm over here trying to think of new YouTube video ideas, so if you guys have any, comment down below. But yeah, I'll show you guys the kids in a second once they're all ready to go into the pool. You guys ready to go in the jacuzzi? Get in!
Yeah. Yes, cool. We're just gonna warm up until.
Oh, okay.
Go.
They're already having the time of their lives. Zach, you fell all the way in! 1, 2, 3, go! Blankets. Then up next, let's do some shoes. I have these beautiful Charlotte Olympia heels. They are in such great shape. These are actually up for sale in the shop if anyone is interested. They're a size 39.5. They have this beautiful zipper detail along the front toe caps, and they are in a nude color. And I believe they're a 5-inch heel. These are so gorgeous. They're in great condition. These again are also from the Goodwill. You know what?